Hello folks, welcome to 8th grade Richie Math. Today we're going to learn a little bit about the distance formula. Let's say we had a little graph that looked like so. And we're going to put a little point there, and we'll put a point down here. The point in the second quadrant we will call, let's go with -3 and +2. The point that's down here in the fourth quadrant we will call +1 and, -2. Now we want to learn how to solve how far the distance is between these 2 points. And we will learn that using the distance formula, which goes like so. D equals, we're going to have x sub 1 minus x sub 2, and then we're going to square that. And to that we will add y sub 1 minus y sub 2. So let's go back and take a look at our x's and our y's. Our x's are -3 and 1, so I will simply subtract -3 minus 1. So -3 minus 1. Our y's, 2 minus -2. Okay, now we have distance equals the square root of -4 squared. -3 minus 1 is -4. To that we will add 2 minus -2. When we have two negative signs, they go positive. And 2 plus 2 is 4. And again, we will square that. Up here, we will now have distance equals, so the first one, -4 squared, is +16. The second term is +4. +4 squared is also 16. That we will add under the radical, and that simply gives us the square root of 32. In ordinary cases, we could just leave that like it is, but what I've been doing is I've been teaching how to estimate square roots, and what I will suggest is this. You can put the 32 there, and you can surround it with 2 known squares. In this case, it would be the 25, because 5 squared is 25. And in this case, it would be the 36, because 6 squared is 36. Because of this method, we know that the square root of 32 falls somewhere between 5 and 6. Because the 32 is closer to the 36, it should be that our square root of 32 is closer to 6 than it is to 5. And if you wanted to further narrow that down, you could probably say, with a reasonable amount of certainty, the answer is somewhere around 5.6. Thanks for watching.